What were your thoughts?
I feel like the Mattress Factory is like the last Jedi of art museums. Where everyone says it's probably good, and then you go and you go, wow, a lot of work was put into something that's not that great. What did you think?
I thought it was a great thing to visit around Halloween.
Yes, it was definitely Halloween appropriate.
I am 100% unsettled, and I'm excited to go back to our warm, comfortable,
Nice,
happy, major chord apartment.
Yes.
It's definitely, there are no minor chords.
Yeah, that place is weird.
Okay, so what did we like? I liked the blue room.
The blue room was cool.
Yeah.
I thought the crawling one, like that.
Yeah.
That had some merit to being good.
Yeah. That one was
The
interesting.
art in it wasn't good, but the crawling idea was fun.
Except for that one dead end where it made you.
Yeah, that didn't make sense. Like they could have thought
back up.
They could have thought out flow.
Yeah.
Or how the exit was not the entrance.
Or how you'd be staring at other people's butts.
Yeah,
like the whole time.
There was the hanging piano. That
was cool.
That was interesting.
The water going down the stairs was cool. Well, the rails. And
the mirror rooms.
The mirror rooms with the polka dots. Those were interesting, yeah. But
yeah.
Overall, I think it was a 3 or a 4 out of 10. Probably won't do again.
No. Adjust for the price. That was definitely like a 1.
Yeah, for $20.
Like, it wasn't at all good, and it was pretty expensive for not being at all good.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd agree with that. Sorry, Mattress Factory.
You kind of blow goats.
What he said.